I'm pleased to say that we are making our job shadowing session a regular program after the encouraging responses to our pilot run last year. Successful applicants can shadow senior management and executives of selected financial institutions for a day. They will be able to gain a good understanding of various job functions in the chosen financial sector. We hope you are as excited as we are about these different new initiatives.
Investment banking is obviously something of interest to many students. Hong Kong is also, like a key beneficiary of a thriving investment banking industry. For that, in the past 12 years, Hong Kong was the #1 capital formation market globally, really, for 7 years out of the past 12 years.
More recently, we saw more people, more students who come to CICC, especially for those university graduate with different majoring, including engineering, environmental science, even biochemistry, aerospace, architectures. That's the majors that I saw recently in the last batch of students joining CICC as a campus recruit. But having said that, most of them also try to get the second degree in like management or economics, that kind of mixture. And I think Rocky, we have the chance to talk about that. Our CEO and our COO, in fact, they are physics major students when they study in the universities.
The difference between investment bank and investment banking. So the bank itself is an investment bank. So CICC is an investment bank. JP Morgan is an investment bank. Under that or within that bank, that investment bank, you have different key functions. You have or departments, or business lines. You have asset management, you have research, you have private banking, you have trading or markets, and then you have investment banking. So investment banking is one of the key business lines within an investment bank. And then within investment banking, you have different teams. You have M&A, you have ECM, you have DCM, you have corporate finance, you have derivatives.
I guess our student would heard that ranking those from the #1 to bottom, those at the bottom will face the risk being dismissed. And this is really the downside. But even there is such a downside, why so many people coming in to investment bank? I think more importantly is because of the competitive environment. We have always been challenged to stay something new, to break through, to make some breakthrough. So I think that kind of satisfaction, that kind of steep learning curve, as I said in the very beginning, is the very the attractiveness of staying in the bank.
The strong desire to succeed, being able to work under pressure, interpersonal skills, that's very important, interpersonal skill or communication skills, because you need to be able to present your idea, articulate your idea very clearly, whether internally or to the clients. So I think again, those are the qualities that we would be looking for when we do recruiting.
Yeah.
And if I can add one more point, which is critical thinking, see beyond the surface as to what is behind many of the issues or problems that we look at. So critical thinking is another point that I would add. A reminder for the students that if you are interested in investment banking or in investment bank in general, you need to start early. You need to start really early.